And here today on AB Bikes, something that not many people do often enough, as they should. It's called preventative maintenance. You have your regular maintenance, oil changes, blah 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 blah. Then you have preventative maintenance. And this is where you go checking over things and looking for very early signs of wear and tear. Something like this, if the camera can pick it up. It's a little nick there. Very tiny, nothing wrong with the thing at the minute, but left unattended, you're going to have a burst fuel pipe sooner or later, if left unattended. This is the crankcase breather hose. Now it's not too bad, but there's early signs of rubbing on the paint and here and there, and if left ignored, these are just going to break, these are going to burn through holes. Here's an early example I've shown, just under here, as the tank's down on it. Over time I saw marks here, nothing had broken through, but very early marking signs that left unattended would break through into the wire and cause you problems soon as all these go to sensors, fuel injectors. So again, I've just put a bit of tape over it. I'll check it again in a few months and I can tell very easily with the green tape if it's going to break through or not. But yeah, I just thought I'd show this one, because people need to do it a lot more often, and you'll catch a lot of breakages and a lot of breakdowns. You'll prevent them. You'll catch the problem before it even happens, and sometimes it can just be a quick, like that. Or maybe what I intend to do, I'm going to put a load of tape over this, same with this line here, just to reinforce it. The thing's going to last a lot longer, and it's going to be a lot longer before I have a breakdown. But yeah, just thought I'd show this one. I seriously advise people do it a bit more often. You never know what problems may be dwelling within. AB Bikes out.